Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, and a review of the Tracy Essential Lip Collection 2 lip liner and 4 lipsticks. And of course it looks like this. So let's get started. So this Tracy Lip Collection has 2 lip liners and 4 lipsticks. It does have the 12-month mark in the back. So usually with makeup, when you see something like this that has like 12 months, or it has 12M, 6M, 4M, it just means the M as months. So 12 months, meaning that once you open this product, it is good for 12 months, and after that, you need to throw it away. And I do apologize if you hear any sound in the background. It's my dog playing with his toys. Let's get started. Guys, the colors look very beautiful on the packaging, and the packaging is really pretty. This packaging reminds me a lot of the Daisy perfume for women. It's just very pretty. I like it a lot. So let's open it. Ew. These are pretty. Okay, I'm going to start off swatching with the lip liners. They don't have a name. Liners do not have a name. It just says Tracy Lip Liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch the lipsticks. So the lipsticks do not have a name either. They're just like this. And they do have Tracy. That's okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and put some on. So I'm going to try the nude one. It looks kind of like a nude color. I'm going to go with the last one. I'm going to go ahead and just try the lipstick by itself, and guys, this does rub off. Hey guys, so this is the color that I really like from the whole set. I think it suits like my skin tone. The other ones are kind of like make me seem a little bit more pale, and I don't like that. Final thought, guys. So I really like how the lip liners and the lipsticks glide right on. It's very silky, very smooth, kind of like butter. It reminds me of the ColourPop Cosmetics lipsticks that glide on super well. So again, not sponsored at all. I really like the colors. It ranges from a little bit darker to a little bit more neutral. So it has a little bit of everything, just a little bit kind of like red, a little bit more muted, a little bit pink, a little bit on the natural side, and I really like that. The lip liners do go well with any of these lipsticks, which is a big plus for me as well. The one thing that I really would have liked for them to do is to put like names on these, but they don't. They all just have the name Tracy, and that's about it. Another thing that I would have liked is for them to be a little bit more long lasting. These immediately wipe off. So if you kiss, there you go. And if you wipe, There you go. Immediately comes off. It does leave a little bit of a tint, which is cute. So out of 10, I would rate these a 9.5. I rated a 9.5 because I would have liked for two things. One, for each one of these to have their individual name shades. And two, for them to be a little bit more longer lasting, like some other brands have them. They come off immediately, yes, but other brands have it stay a little bit longer. This brand, immediately you just swipe it, whatever. So if you eat, it will transfer and you'll have nothing on your lips. But other than that, I really, really, really like the packaging. The packaging is very pretty. It caught my attention out of every other packaging that was there. These colors are very pretty. There's a little bit of everything in here. Again, this is my opinion. This is what I think of it. This is the first time that I unbox this. I'm literally unboxing it in front of you guys, literally swatching it in front of you guys, and literally trying it in front of you guys. So I really have to say that I will be using these again. I really did like them, guys. Again, this is my opinion. You guys, if you go try it, if you buy them, please let me know how it went for you guys. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, more reviews or whatnot, or if you even want me to review something, let me know down in the comment section below. If you can please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is free and you're supporting me and you're helping me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. And I really hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.